was young, I heard the stories about the people who could make the mountains flee. And every now and then someone would tell me I could do the same if I believed. So one summer night I looked out my window and I closed my eyes and listened to the wind blow. And I tried to move a mountain. I wished for it to crumble at my feet. I tried one thing after another, but I couldn't shake a leaf. I never knew that the mountain had a lesson it would teach. 'Cause as tall as I got, I still lived in its shadow. I watched it tower over me, till one summer day I thought I heard it call me. So I closed my eyes and changed into my blue jeans, and I learned how to move a mountain. It was harder than I dreamed it would be, but I put one foot down past the other till the mountain was under me. And I felt like I could see forever, when the truth in my senses suddenly, that mountain wasn't nearly the first one that I knew. God had seen my victory. Every time I put my weaknesses behind me and I closed my eyes, let His mercy find me. I know how to move a mountain. I have to fall down on my knees, then I get back on my feet, head on upward till I make it to the peak and the mountains under me.